saan ka man sa mundo.
I want them to understand that there is a richness, there is a wealth in being Filipino.
Dalang tatak ng isang Pilipino.
About being Filipino and being proud of that.
Filipinos are very talented.
Sama-sama nating ipagmalaki ang pagiging Pinoy.
Pinapakita po nila ang pagmamahal nila sa kanilang bayan sa Pilipinas.
A celebration of being Filipino.
You have Jessica Sanchez, Manny Pacquiao. You have Filipino actors, comedians. A lot of Filipino Americans are starting to get noticed in the mainstream.
Reminds people not just that the history of independence of the Philippines, but also it reminds people of the complexity of that independence.
Because after all, we all came from the same mother country.
At sabay-sabay nating sabihing,
I'm proud to be Pinoy.
we are proud to be Pinoy.
Proud to be Pinoy! Proud to be Kapuso!
Ngayong linggo sa GMA Pinoy TV.